Step to take in case of ship damage, action to regain stability, and methods of counter-checking activities. Ship damage reduction from constellation grouping, structural failure of flooding of stability effect vessel stability and safety. From an effective action is essential to protect the crew, cargo, and vessel. The primary objective to assist the damage, control flooding, and restore stability, and constantly monitor the effectiveness of corrective measures. 1. Step to take in case of ship damage. When ship damage occurs, the first action to assess the extent and location of the damage. The master of bridge team and must determine which compartment have been effective and whether flooding and occurring emergency alarms should be sounded, and all relevant personnel must be informed of the situation. Step 2. Action to regain stability. Severe corrective action by taken to restore the ship's stability. One common method is counter-flooding, where selected compartments of the opposite side of the damage are flooded to reduce excessiveness. Ballast water may also be transferred between takes, improve balance and correct trim.
Number 3. Counter-checking the effectiveness of corrective actions. After corrective actions have been taken, their effectiveness must be continuously evaluated. The ship list and trim should be regularly checked to ensure that stability is improving. Stability calculations should be performed using the vessel and stability booklet or computer software to verify compliance with the safety requirements. Conclusions. Effective damage control requires the immediate assessment, flooding control, and stability management. Actions such as counter-flooding, ballast transfer, the cargo adjustment, and dewatering operations can help restore the vessel stability. Regular monitoring and evaluations of the measure ensure the remain effective and contributes to the safe operation and survival of the ship during an emergency.